Welcome to the Field of Dreams, baby. We're building a backyard Miata cross track. I've been wanting a track since I got the first Miata 4 years ago, and it's finally happening. Dude,
let's make some magic happen, dude.
We're just trying to get the basic layout done, so we're doing a bunch of laps, packing down the grass, doing some burnouts, getting all of our ideas dialed in, so when the tractor gets here, we can just get right to work.
Dude, this is so fun! Oh my god, dude!
Let's go!
That is why we built this car, you guys. Just wait till we start putting it in the air. It's gonna be absolutely insane. It just so happens that the snake is our marker for the first jump. So we're gonna start digging right there.
Mostly,
so you better move.
The real problem is the snake will move and then we'll put the jump in the wrong place.
He's got him, he's got him. It's Gavin the snake charmer.
So basically this is where the lip will start.
It's happening. Just the first scoop of many.
John and I grew up building dirt BMX jumps, and 20 years later, here we are, doing exactly the same thing. Some people grow up and change, and others just get bigger toys. We're gonna make it like 5 feet longer. It's a little bit small still, but the shape of it is excellent. John's doing an amazing job. Doing kind of a rhythm section. They'll start small and then just get bigger as it goes down this whole line. 4-ish tabletops. Hopefully by the end, the last one is huge.
He's coming in hot. Yeah! Felt really good airtime. Everything about it. Good approach.
I still think it's going to be a little bit small for cars, but I was outvoted.
Do you think so? I did get over it pretty easily.
You launched over it.
You were
like,
I was third gear.
Looked good though.
It felt good. It felt really good.
The time has come to finally start feeling out this second jump. It's a decent size. It's a 30-footer.
Let's hit it, baby.
How was I on this first one?
You didn't clear it.
Didn't clear it.
Yeah. How'd it feel?
Not good.
Did you hit it with a lot of speed? Were you on me, kind of?
Yeah, I wasn't pinned though. It's like way too slow to go into this one, and then I can't get fast enough to go on the second one. So I think the first one has to be bigger.
I would almost lengthen it like 10 feet, 5 feet.
All right, you guys gotta understand that this is our first time ever building a Miata motocross track. So things are gonna take some figuring out. We added a few feet to the landing of this one to make it a little bit longer, and then we smoothed out the lip. So hopefully it doesn't buck me as bad and I can take a little more speed into it. So we're gonna hit it and find out.
Did it look a little gnarly? Yeah. That wasn't even too bad. It felt a little sketchy though.
Cool me down, baby! John, you've enabled maniacs.
Feels freaking awesome.
Let's go, baby!
Go. Rhythm section in a Miata.
In a Miata.
In a three-wheeler.
Dude, oh my
We
god.
did it. Heck yeah, John. You're the man.
Good.
We got John out here putting in work in the skiddy. He's digging the trough for the under section and then piling the lip and landing for the over. This thing is going to be ridiculous, you guys.
Should we be doing this?
I don't know. Holy moly, you guys. It's so gnarly.
Alrighty, man. Let's send it, dude. Oh, man.
Yeah, I think we want a little bit taller on the jump, a little bit taller on the landing. But, I mean, it's gonna work.
Are you gonna run this?
I don't know. I'm nervous. Should we do it?
Like, I almost just want to hit it right now. It looks so juicy. You know what I'm saying?
It just is intimidating looking. I've never jumped a gap jump this big.
Me either.
Gav's sending the gap. What do you got?
Alright, fellas, it's time. We got our gap jump ready to go. We have something to put in the middle next time, but we got to make sure we can clear this jump. Let's hit it, baby.
Dude, you got it.
Give me some.
Pin it to win it, baby.
Pin it to win it. Fourth gear, let her rip.
Let her rip. You got it.
Okay, fourth gear. I am scared for this one, but we're sending it. Let's go.
Oh my God! That was insane.
That was kind of sketchy, huh? I had to be in it a little bit more, fellas, but we cleared it, 4th gear. Whew, that was a little risky. How'd you guys like it, Dylan?
That was insane.
Was it insane?
Yeah. It did not give me confidence to jump it in the Miata, I'll be honest.
Ah.
You barely made it.
This is right here
No,
where
what
you
is
landed.
this? What's that one?
Oh. Yeah.
Don't scare me like that.
Bro. This is 6 inches to the gap. That is not okay.
Oh, that was iffy, huh?
A little iffy. I'm scared in the car.
Dude, it's scary, but man, do you love that feeling once your nutsack drops? Woo!
I want my nutsack to drop, so.
Give me some!
Oh, you guys. It's a different thing in a car.
We'll hit them together. We'll hit them. Dude, you could even come in and hit this one with me, too.
You going for it? Let's do it. Woo! I'm jumping the Miata, baby.
Okay, all right, let's go.
I'll be honest, this is pretty wild, even for us. In theory, this should 100% work. Dylan, I love you, buddy. Send this. This is Burley.
Send it!
I'm proud of him. He wasn't going nearly fast
Okay.
enough.
It was so good! Let's go! It was so good! Dylan! How did that feel, brother? How did that feel, brother?
Perfect. That was so good.
Fire me up!
I need more run up than you.
Yeah, you do.
I was like, I can't accelerate as fast
Sorry
as you do.
about
I had to pull off, but
Okay.
wow, that felt so good.
It
was
worked so good.
So intense. I'm so glad we did it. I'm so
I
glad
told
we
you,
did
I
it.
told you. No, wait until Tuesday. Now your weekend's gonna be on cloud 9. Fellas,
Yeah.
get out and do it today. Don't wait till Tuesday. Your Miata's ever jumped over a monster truck?
I can pretty much guarantee you that it hasn't.
Fire me the hell up, Dylan. Let's make some magic happen today.
Let's make some magic happen.
Bro, smash it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness, baby. How'd it feel, dude?
The lip was butter, man. That thing is so good.
Woo!
That was epic.
Dude, you killed it on that one.
Heck
Give me
yeah.
some, bro. Stand it. Why are you unbuckling, man? We got a tandem this bad girl.
All right, let's tandem it.
Let's tandem it. Let's go. It's so good! Most proper redneck thing you can do. Jumping over your monster truck on a 3-wheeler. Somebody fire me the hell up. Alrighty, here's car number 1. Hit it, hit it. Oh, no brakes. We're running over cars with our monster truck. Let's make it happen.
Let's do it. Dude, this thing is too clean. It's even got a title. What is this?
It's gonna be a shame just to run it right over, dude. It's gonna make a nice hard hurt, but it's gotta be done.
What is your plan here? Are you really gonna drive over these with your monster truck?
Dude, why else would I buy a monster truck, baby? Dude, we got a
So-
full-ass Make-A-Wish day happening right here, right now. Fire me
It's
up.
the best day of our lives.
All right, let's run over some cars.
Get it?
Okay, let's go get it, baby.
You actually
Let's
think
make
this is gonna
one
work?
Look, guys, the math doesn't look right, but he doesn't even know that. It's just time to let Gav do Gav stuff. Dude, you're gonna crush it.
We gotta move the cars back. Yeah! That was so sick. That couldn't have worked any better. Oh, there's definitely a shock hanging down. Stop, 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 stop.
What did we break?
The suspension.
We're at.
It's hanging down the front.
Stop, stop, stop. Just stop moving. Did we snap it? Oh man, fellas.
Remember when I first saw this and I said, this seems like a real weak point?
Yeah, it was a weak point.
Sure is.
Is that all we broke?
Yeah.
I'd say that was a major success, fellas. This monster truck is absolutely kicking ass. Holy, I did not mean to do that one. I got a little scared.
No part of the landing was involved in that.
I told you we're making it bigger, and you just floored
One
it.
of us is gonna get hurt trying to go this small.
That's true.
This
All right.
is just making sure the lip isn't too crazy, trying to figure out where the landing needs to be.
Okay, I think the lip is too crazy and I think the landing is too short.
We can go 10 foot bigger at least.
Still a lot bigger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Second take at the step up, we added, let's say 4 feet. I don't know if that's true. Did it look cool?
Oh
It
yeah.
looked wild, my guy.
We're adding a good bit. We were over clearing it way too much, so it looks like they added close to 10 feet. It does look intimidating coming up to it, but it works perfect. It's so fun. You ready for some over under?
Talk to me about it, man. This looks a little sketchy right here with this big old step up.
Yeah, he built us a pretty big step up. You landed pretty flat on the last time you hit it, so we wanted to give you some more landing.
Let's pin it, baby.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Jumped a little far. There was a ka-chow.
Oh, that was a good job. Climb it up right away? No.
No,
Oh, you were
it's
way
hard.
too late. Way too
Yeah,
late.
it's hard. The jump is too small.
You got pretty exuberant there, my guy.
It's first gear. I don't know. It's scary looking at it. You want to go faster because it's a big step up.
Oh my God, that's where you landed?
Is your neck okay?
Yeah,
Is your
I'm
neck
good.
all right?
I'm good.
Are you sure? Sure.
Holy smokes. Let her eat, baby.
Let her eat.
Oh yeah, she hungry, dude.
That's just the thing of new jumps. Like, you gotta feel them out.
You feel it needs to be bigger also?
Oh no, that needs to be 10 feet bigger at least, right?
This is the third time we've said it needs to be 10 foot bigger.
Oh my God.
It's so
Oh
freaking
my
hard to go
goodness.
the right speed. The lip is too good. That's the problem. I'm in first gear, not pinned, barely hitting it, and just skying it.
Yeah. Parked again.
Yeah, we don't have brakes, so I think we're gonna call it a day on that. And
Are you telling me? Are you telling me you didn't have brakes coming in on my ass right there?
yeah.
That'll pucker a man's butthole up.